over.
Are you ready for the Caribbean Queen, Miss Alison Hines? Put your two hands in the air. Winner. Rock out to me. Before you even do that, I need to drop the biggest tune from Trinidad Carnival 2017. I can do that? I can do that! Before you put on the queen, I can do it! More power! DJ for the artist I'm about to bring on stage right now. D-Life, I gotta tell you, I'm also in love with this lady. Straight from Trinidad Carnival, she's getting ready to go to Barbados Crop Over. Ladies and gentlemen, Roy Wilkins Park, put your hands in the air for the Soca Queen. The Soca Queen, representing Barbados. Give it up for Alison Hines. If you sit it down, you need to get up.
Come up to my bumpsy boy and come up to my bumpsy boy and come up to my bumpsy boy and come up to my bumpsy see boy and I. Washing and then whining, Dominican whining, Dominican whining, West Indian, look the great and whining, look the ocean whining, Dominican whining, West Indian. I want you to grind it. Show me the one. Yes. Show me the one. Yes. Wow. Hey. I wanna hear you. Sing it in. I wanna say. What? Hey. Yeah. Make the other bend right over. 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 Are there any Carnival babies in here right now? I wanna see if you love Carnival. Put your hands in the air. Carnival again. Carnival again. Carnival. Juve again. When I start to whine, I have no control. The Carnival fever is in the soul. When I hear them pan like I'm going inside. The Carnival blood running in the veins. I'll be shy. I'll be waiting from Juve to Ash Wednesday. I was hungry on Carnival Day. You won't believe that it was foreplay. When me mommy said she was in a van, she was led astray by a sailor man. She was grooving when me sailor influence. Now they start to call me drunken sailor baby. All them things they say can't stop me from jumping. The whole of the country is calling me because I conceive in February. Don't pressurize me, it's me mommy sir. She pick up with me on Carnival. All who know about Juve, if you love dirty masks, if you love mud and paint and oil, hey, hear me. I find myself in a look with a sexy. You lie. Can't remember me. Could not remember my husband. Why? Because the iron of me so buzzard. The iron of me so. Oh, the iron of me so buzzard. The iron. The iron of me so. Oh, the iron of me so. Hey, the iron of me so buzzard. The wine. Inside of the man's wine. Inside of the man's people walking. How the people washing myself walking coming down. Singing. Watch the posse. Check the massive. Caribbean posse. Singing. What? The wine. Inside of the man's could never stop inside of the man's cause the iron of me so. Oh, the iron of me so the iron of me so bad so iron of me so the iron of me so. Oh, the iron of me so. So if you come out to have a fantastic time today, I want to see them two hands. All the flags, all the rags, everything in the air. Take it from side to side. It's that kind of time. Where my ladies at? All of my beautiful ladies, I want to hear you scream. Time to brace. Time to brace. Hold on on the fence. Hold on on a fella. I don't care. Run it. Get ready now. Put your hand on the wall and it's cool. Can't never see ya. Press on wine. Watch how the gal them. Press on wine. Bend over now. Hold on on the rhythm. Leave on the bed. Can't never see ya. Press on wine. Watch how the gal them. Press on wine. Everybody want more. How they gonna do it like that? Them bumpers been done. Push it right back. Up and down like high dollar jack. Making it right like husband. Can't go. Cause you're better than that. Ticky like that. I'm like the bunny roller. Climb to the side and get ready now. Let's go like that. Waist and wine. Watch how the other. Waist and wine. Bend over now. Hold on to the leave on the bed and can't never see ya. Waist and wine. Waist and wine. Yeah. Pull up. Pull up. Now, I don't know if I said it earlier. Good afternoon, everybody. Wow. Look at all of these beautiful West Indian Americans out here, boy. Now, there got any Bajans in this crowd? Any Bajans? Okay, all right. Blue, yellow, black represented. Okay. Is Trinidad anywhere in the place? Trinidad? I know there must be. There must be. But I feel I know where the bulk of these people come from. I feel so. You feel so?
Feel so.
Okay, so the rest of people from St. Vincent, right? No? Okay, they come from Antigua. St. Lucia? Nah, man, alright. We're not gonna be from Haiti then. No. So we're not from Grenada then. Why, like I thought I don't know.
I feel it's Dominica.
I feel it's Dominica, right? It's in Dominica. Boy, I thought I don't know, but hold on.
Guyana. No.
Alright, I can get it now. I got it now. Jamaica Posse!
Brand new, Alison Eyes, you're brand new.
Now I'm looking for Mr. Sweet Wine. So I'm still on the search. Mr. Sweet Wine, I want you to hold me and don't let me go. Tonight I'm yours, let the whole world know. Put your body close to mine. Maybe later we can spend some time. I like how you move, but you're keeping time with the groove. Cause I'm the foreign kind of dude. No choking on me bam 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 bam. No stopping on me bam 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 bam. Just wine on me bam 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 bam. Call you Mr. Sweet Wine. Call you Mr. Sweet Wine. Your wine does corrupt me mind. Mr. Sweet Wine. Do it for me. I go pushing buttons on you all night, baby. Call you Mr. Sweet Wine. Mr. Sweet Wine. Now I'm looking for that Mr. Sweet Wine. And I'm still searching. Pull up, guys. That's brand new, coming out of Crop Over 2017.
Make some noise for the Caribbean Queen, Miss Alison Hyde.
Is there a DJ in the house? Sing it, please. I want a man come and ride. I want a man come and ride. I said ride. I want a man come and ride. I want a man come and ride. Go on, Mr. DJ, boy, you know how to mix it. Yes. think you could handle it? You feel you could handle it? Well, come and bring the needle. Come and bring the needle. I want a man come and ride. 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 Because I get bossy. And them Caribbean queens, we not make friends, them never could have cried like this. Them never could have cried like this. Never could have shake like this. Them never could have cried like this. The girls them dancing like this, 2 feet on the drum. And on your head like no passing. Brand new! And them Caribbean queens, we not make friends, them never could have cried like this. Them never could have cried like this. Never could have shake like this. Them never could have cried like this. Yes, them dancing like this, 2 feet on the drum. And on your head like no passing. This American thing was up to your house. And them Caribbean queens, we not make friends, them never could have cried like this. Them never could have cried like this. Never could have shake like this. Them never could have cried like this. The girls them dancing like this, 2 feet on the drum. And on your head like no passing round. This a play dance, they go to stop it. On the drum.
You see right now? You have to go Barbados, crop over to get the rest of that. Barbados, crop over. But you see right now, Ali?
Yes.
They say we have 30 minutes.
Okay.
So I think we have 15 left. So here we go now. The people know you can sing.
Yes.
So if I play a rhythm for you, you promise to sing for them?
Okay. Tell me what can you do to stop a girl from trying?
But let me tell you something.
Yes, D-Life.
You see when Allison sing tunes like this, things like this just happen. Trinidad Carnival 2017.
Yes.
But I have a problem.
And Jamaica Carnival too, eh?
And Jamaica Carnival 2017.
Jamaica Carnival was boss, I ain't gonna lie.
But I have a problem. The master, you know me and you, we had a problem.
What problem is it?
Plenty girls come party and say that they're single and they have the man at home. All the brothers and if you know what I'm talking about. Plenty girl have man.
D-Life. Hush your mouth. Stop that. Stop it. He up here talking a lot of foolishness. But plenty girl, nah. I had to fix that on behalf of the ladies. Run it. Mr. Orlando, do something like so. Hey, ladies, sing this. Plenty man of yarn. Fix that. I don't play. Hey. So ladies, we gonna sing it to them. We gonna sing it to them. Plenty man of yarn. They sing it. Plenty man of yarn. And moving like they're free to mingle. Texting like he's single. Tracking like he's in DM like he's single. Oh. Lining like he's take off the ring, he's single. Pumping like he's single. I always in the house, so what you talking about? When you out a road, careless call my phone, saying that you with them. I know you're more than friends, tell me what you have to say. So now I'm going out in short pants, give man one and one dance if I find out that you're haunting me. Now you looking for space, because I all on your case. I want to tell you to your face, plenty man up, acting like a single. Plenty man up, yeah, and moving like they're free to mingle. Texting like he's, tracking like he's, in gal DM like he's single. What? Lining like he's, they coffee reggae, pumping like he's single. Stop it. I had to fix that. You ain't learn yet. You ain't to mess with me, you know.
We ain't finished yet, you know. Because you see right now. Whoa! Look at people. You make me wanna. 1, 2, 3, go! Jump! Jump around the place. Jump! I want to run my waist. Jump! Jumping up and down. Jump! Even on the ground. Jump! Jumping in the wild. Jump! I'm raising the hand. Jump! Hear me people say. Balancing when we on the road. When we balancing. 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 Balancing when we on the road.
Right on your mouth.
Balancing. Watching balancing.
Put it up.
Yes, we don't take any road.
All the flash. All the Gambosaki duna duna Makawefi duna duna. Get ready to work. Follow my ding ding ding. Namela my ding. Koko hechana. Kabasi hechana. Koko hechana. Ding ding ding. Namela my ding. Koko hechana. Kabasi hechana. Koko hechana. Tika hechana. Suna ding ding ding. Namela my ding. Mama ya ye duna. Mama ya ye duna. Gambosaki. Bakawefi na ye duna. I wanna see 2 hands. 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 We're going from left to right. Left to right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Take the left. I take the right. Take the left. I take it a little faster. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Faster. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Pause this. Pause it. Let me see. Pause it. Hey, hey. Let me see your hands. Hands in the air. Hands in the air. Hey, hey. Pause it. Let me see. Put it up. Let me see you jump, 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 and let them see, jump, and let them see. One day, come on, jump, and let them see, jump, and let them see. One day, gonna see together. I know why they let them see. Why? And you can see. Why? They gonna see. Why? Walk it twice. Walk it twice. Walk it twice. They gonna see. Why? Because in a device in a what? The heavy one. Because in a device in a come where we live as one. Just set up, put down the drugs. Knife and the gun. Knife and the gun. Knife and the gun. Put down the drugs. Knife and the gun. And every, hear me? They can't leave the fight and cease. We have to live in peace. Get on you, put down the gun now. So everybody could live as one now. And if you believe in that, 2 hands in the air, 2 hands in the air, hold it up, jump and let them say. One big mama, yeah. Jump and let them say. One big mama, yeah. And what? Let them see. What is the word? What is the word? Sing it again. Sing it again. Let me see you. Put it up now. Put it up now. Pass it. Let me see you. Show me. Show me. Jump and pass it. 1, 2, 3, go. Jump and let them see. Jump and let them see. Jump. Make my mind. Jump and let them see. Ready? Jump and let them see. Ready? Make my mind. Shut up. Shut up. Why? And let them see. Why? And let them see. Why? Make my mind see. Why? Why? And let them see. Why? Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Make some noise for the Caribbean Queen, Miss Allison. Hey! Oh my God. Thank you so much, John Westbrook.
Now hold on. Hold on.
Hold on, what?
We have exactly 3 minutes left.
Hold on, hold on.
I want to make sure you
Hold
can't,
up on what?
you cannot leave yet.
Why not?
Oh, you will come quite New York, quite a great show fest, and not play this tune right here.
strength and wisdom. You must have liberate yourself and live. Time before that you're born. If you feel me, ladies.